Welcome. In this video I will show you how to copy and paste on MacBook Air M4. To copy and paste using the right click or the double click on your trackpad, you just have to select the file and the text that you want to copy, then control click it and select copy. If you want to cut it out, you have to do the same thing but select cut. And if you want to paste it, you just have to control click and select paste. If you want to use the commands, the keyboard shortcuts instead, you have to press the Command C combination of keys to copy the piece of text or the file. Command X will cut it out, and Command V will paste it. Alternatively, you can use the menu bar, and in order to use the menu bar, you're gonna have to select the file or the text that you want to copy, then select edit, copy, or edit, cut if you want to cut it out, or edit, paste if you want to paste it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.